leadership is so hard and so uncomfortable because number one, like you are making decisions that negatively affect people, even though you care about them all the time. Like as a leader, you're making decisions that negatively affect some people. You're laying them off. You're doing whatever it is. Number two, you will be disliked, and these people they're gonna dislike you. They're gonna talk shit about you. They're gonna bring you down, even though you're trying to do your best for the most people. You're trying to do your best for the most people, and you'll have people that hate that. And the big one is that you're going to be misunderstood, and you're never going to have a chance to explain yourself. Like they're gonna take a non-nuanced approach to Elon Musk and what he's doing, or me on Twitter, or you as you grow your business, and they're going to talk about you behind your back. They're going to talk about you to each other, and you're going to have zero opportunity to defend yourself as a leader. Those are the three bad things about being a leader, and that you cannot get away from. So if you're not willing to live with those negative things, don't get in a leadership role. It's hard. It's freaking hard being a leader. You got to make decisions that hurt people. You're going to, have people that hate you, even though you're trying to do the best for the most amount of people. And you're going to, it's problematic. So, and you're not going to be able to defend yourself when people get hateful.
Before you go, we have a new sponsor of the show, recostseg.com. And if you bought a piece of real estate, you need to get a cost segregation study done. It's what allows you to get all that sweet, sweet bonus depreciation, and it's how real estate investors like me and many others pay almost nothing in taxes on an annual basis. You can cost seg a single-family rental, a short-term rental, or a large commercial property. recostseg.com is affordable and aggressive and super fast to turn them around. They've done 10 plus cost segs for me this year. They're going to do many more for me. Visit recostseg.com to learn more.